Hello everyone. This video demonstrates the setup of Issue-Based Magazine plugin. Issue-Based Magazine plugin is used to create online magazine website. This plugin is implemented using WordPress custom post type, taxonomies and post features. Issue-Based Magazine is perfect for you if you want to create online magazine. It is best for general topic magazine, business magazine, fashion magazine, student-based magazine, or any magazine that is published periodically. For installation and activation of plugin, go to the admin panel, click on plugin, go to add new and search manage issue-based magazine plugin. Click on install and activate the plugin. We have already installed it. Or you can open the browser and go to wordpress.org and search for manage issue-based magazine plugin. Download the plugin and add it in plugins folder. Activate the plugin from the admin section. Once the plugin is activated, create the required pages. For that, go to admin, pages and add new page. Create two pages, magazine and issue, as we have already created. After creating the pages, create magazine categories. Go to magazine and magazine category. Now add a new magazine category. Add this magazine category. After creating magazine category, create new issue. Go to magazine, issues and now add a new issue. You can select categories for the related issue. You can upload a cover image for the issue. Now add this new issue. After successfully creating magazine category and issues, create magazine post. For that, go to magazine and add new post. Give appropriate title. Type the description that you want. Now from the checkboxes, select the issues. Similarly, select the magazine category to which the post should belong. You can set a feature image if you want. Now check feature post checkbox if you want to feature that post. Click on publish to publish this post. After creating this, go to magazine and go to issue settings. Select a page for magazine and issue from the drop down. Select issue from the current issue drop down to make it a current issue. If you want to display the current issue categories in the primary menu, then check issue category checkbox. Save these settings. Manage issue-based magazine plugin offers 6 easy to use and simple drag and drop widgets. For that, go to Appearance and Widget panels. Here is the list of the widget that the plugin offers. First is the current issue widget. It displays issue title and image for current issue selected in the issue settings. The next is the current issue category widget. It displays the list of issue categories for the current issue. The third is the issue article listing widget. It displays the list of articles for the current issue. The issue listing widget displays the list of published issues. When clicked on issue link, all the articles of the selected issue will be displayed. Issue browse widget displays the published issues. When clicked on issue link, the user will be redirected to the home page with content of selected issue. The last is the issue feature post widget. It displays the most featured magazine post on your site. Provide the number of posts to be displayed. If empty, it displays all the featured magazine posts of the current issue. This was all about setting up the Manage Issue-Based Magazine plugin. If you have any further query, please feel free to contact us at issuemagazineplus@gmail.com. Thank you.